All right, guys, let's take one more look at this U-change lock. I covered him first about 5 or 6 years ago. I showed you a bypass tool that would allow you to take any key, walk up to any lock, and instantly rekey it. So these things, obviously design defect, just a huge security risk, and I thought everybody knew that. The other day, I went over to donate a bunch of food at a local food bank, and I got there about 30 minutes early. It was closed, so I didn't want to sit in the car, so I spent my time walking around, getting a little exercise, and I noticed that in that office complex, more than 100 units, all of them still use this crappy lock. So if you've got this lock, man, get rid of it. I'll put the link for that bypass tool down below. Anybody could get into these locks at any time, guys. They are just super vulnerable. Not only that, but they're pretty easy to pick too. I'm just going to stick this right here. They don't come with security pins. There's only 5 pins. You can kind of bully them. I'm going to use this medium pick. You kind of bully them a little bit. Doesn't take a heck of a lot of skill. Just find a binder and shove him. 3, 2. I felt a very slight turn on the core there. That was 5. This one's pretty old. I'm coming up with excuses here. I think the fact that I told him this is the last time he's going to appear on camera, he says, I'm going to put up my last stand. Where are you? I probably got too much tension on him. I felt a turn on the core, but there are no, there we go. That's why it was open. There are no security pins in these guys. All right, let me show you. I'm not going to show you the bypass tool. I would put the link of that 5 or 6 year old video down there, so just to convince you. But here's how they work. I do have the tools necessary. So let's say that you have, let's say this is your last key, and you don't want to take a chance. You just want to rekey it. Or let's say the guy that owns this key moved out and you want to rekey it. So what you'll do is you take the key, you turn it to 90 degrees, and then you take this little rod, little bypass tool, and you stick them into that slot. Just shove it right. Oop, let me get that ring out of there. Just shove him right in there. I'll jiggle a little bit. Slide him all the way in, and then pull out the old key. Get rid of it. You'll never need it again. Take your new keys and slide them in there. Remove that little rod, and now the new key will work, and the old one from the tenant that just left does not. So it's kind of a convenient system, but not for you. It's convenient for the landlord because he saves a lot of money on locks, but the expense is your security. So if you have these, or if your company has these, or if you see, or if a friend has a company that has these, please warn them. Get rid of these locks. They are absolute crap. It's a break-in waiting to happen. Anyway, guys, this is the last time you will see a U-change on the lock clamp. I can only warn people so many times. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal.